Hi, my name is Kiran. Today's topic I'm going to discuss about traversing through directories in shell, and these are the topics I'm going to cover using cd to forward path, cd to backward path, and cd to home directory, pushd and popd. I'm going with live explanation. See, you see first present working directory. You are in so and so this directory. If you want to go forward, suppose I created one directory, make directory forward 1, cd forward 1. So this is the way I will move to next directory. You see, now current working directory is shell commands forward 1. If you want to come back, cd double dot, sorry, it will come back to your previous directory. So at a time, suppose you are in cd forward 1, I created inside one more directory, forward 2, cd forward 2. So now present working directory, 2 directories forward. I want to come back to shell commands. So how I will come back? Cd dot slash 2 directories previous. If I give this, now present directory, you see, just shell commands. 2 directories, it moved back. This is forward and backward. Now to coming back to home directory, you just enter cd. It will get you to the root directory. Just cd is always get you to root directory. So how I am moving back to my commands, my original working directory, by giving all these lines, cd users, my so and so username and so and so commands. So rather this, there is another way, that is pushd and popd. So see, what is present working directory? Shell commands. Suppose cd forward 1 forward 2. So my present working directory is forward 1 and forward 2. Suddenly if I go back to root directory, if I want to come back, I have to give all these directory names. Rather that, we will use some little command, pushd popd. If you people aware of stack, push is putting the element in stack and pop is removing the stack element. The same way it will work. If I do push d dot means current directory. Wherever you are entering dot, that means current directory. You are sending current directory to the stack. See, I sent current directory to the stack. cd forward 1 will become, now what is present working directory? Forward 1 forward 2. See, if I enter, just give cd, it will take you to the root directory. Now what is that root directory? You are in root directory. I want to go back to forward to directory. How I will go? Other way, you have to enter cd slash user slow. So if you know, if you are aware of that, rather than just give popd, it will take you to the direct to your working directory location. This is the way you can give pushd and popd. You can give multiple pushds. Pushd, if you give, see what is present working directory now? Forward 1, pushd dot, that went forward 1. Now what is pushd dot? This directory also, shell commands also went to stack. Now I came back to root. PWD is root. So if I use popd, whatever you sent recently, that goes first. That means shell commands will take you to the directory. You see PWD, shell commands. Now if I do once again popd, it will take you to the forward 1. So this is the pushd and popd works. Yeah, this is what I would say about traversing through the directory. Hope it is helpful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.